comes across. Myler fakes to him with all kinds of room right up the middle for the touchdown. Max Myler, a 3-yard touchdown run. Davis is right at first and goal from the 5. Davis fakes, takes it up the middle, breaks a tackle, touchdown. Carlos Davis, a 5-yard touchdown run. His 4th rushing touchdown of the season.
Oh, his favorite route.
2nd goal. Davis fakes this time, takes it right up the middle, touchdown. Carlos Davis, his 2nd rushing touchdown in as many possessions.
The lineman, you always follow the guards, and they give it to the right.
Myler fakes to Cagle, finds an opening, and carries into the end zone for the touchdown. And now here's the fake to Cagle. Myler steps up, throws over the middle. Williams makes the catch for a touchdown. 16-yard touchdown. Myler to Williams. Sloan, our motion man. LaQuinston Sharp is lined up, and this time Espinoza dives forward, and they have not signaled. There it is, touchdown. Porter trips to the right on 1st and 10. Myler has time, runs, throws on the run, caught, touchdown. TJ Davis, the 2nd touchdown reception of the game, and 1st and goal for the Freight. Espinoza sends the motion men, quarterback power, makes a man miss, makes another miss, cuts outside, touchdown! What a run, Vincent Espinoza. After a big play, and Myler tries the left side, uses his strength, dives toward the goal line and over the goal line for a touchdown. 3-yard touchdown run for Max Myler. It's the 2nd time Canada's been called for pass interference on exactly the same play. Espinoza, quarterback power, takes it for a touchdown. He headed right for the goal line. So Max Myler with an empty backfield takes a high snap, throws over the middle, ball's caught, spinning out of a tackle is TJ Davis, heads the sideline, and down the sideline for a touchdown. TJ Davis got a new addition potentially on the way, so he went back home. And here's a fumble picked up by Mailer, and he's going to be tackled for a safety. Jalen Swan. Roberto to his left. 27 seconds to go. Espinoza back to throw. Blitz comes, throws back corner, touchdown! It's Julian Walker, his first catch of the season. As he normally does. It is that knuckleball, takes a big hop, and it's going to go through the end zone, and he's not going to get out, is he? No! It's a rouge. Julian Walker again in on the tackle, as is Dominic Roberto. 11 seconds left. Myler again sends the man in motion. Blitz comes, throws toward the end zone, caught, touchdown. TJ Davis again. All the receivers right. Espinoza takes the snap. Blitz comes. He throws a deep ball toward the end zone. Tip. Caught! Touchdown! He caught it! He caught it! Unbelievable! 40 Sloan with the touchdown catch on the final play of the game. And the Freight are going to win it. It's 57-56. The Fishers Freight knock off the Green Bay Blizzard on a touchdown pass on the last play of the game.